Overthinking comes from a lack of self-trust. More specifically, you don't trust yourself to handle the big, uncomfortable feelings you might feel if your overthinking fears come true. So instead, you search for control. You catastrophize and strategize. You create a plan of action, probably several, as you imagine any and everything that could possibly go wrong and exactly what you could do to avoid or minimize the hurt. Right? Well, if this sounds like you're probably frustrated and exhausted. So here's another option. Trust yourself. Make a decision. Preferably one that's well-intentioned and aligns with your values. If things go according to plan, great, keep it moving. If they don't, great, keep it moving. The control and safety you're looking for aren't found in your ability to manipulate the external circumstances, but rather they're found in your ability to consistently show up and support yourself, regardless of external outcome. Bye.